In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to block website on your iPad. If you want to block some websites, then I'll show you how to do that. First of all, go to your settings. Now you have to go to in privacy and security option, scroll down, and no, it's not that option. You have to go to screen time, tap on screen time, and now tap on content and privacy restriction. Tap on this and enable this content privacy restriction. Once you enable this, now you have to go guys to this option, app store media web. Tap on this, and now you have to tap on web content. Now you have to if you want to block some website, just tap on this add website under this never allow, and just enter the URL of the website you want to block. On your iPad or iPhone, you can do the anything this setting on any iOS device. So yep, this is how guys you can block it. Once you enter any website over here, it won't be open on your Safari browser. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.